The GCS team is proud to introduce a high-capacity pre-cleaner that is user-friendly, low-maintenance, and energy-efficient. The GCS Scalper is a great pre-cleaner for removing any foreign materials from your grain. Whether you have too many sticks, pods, rocks, dirt, all of these things will be removed by running the grain through the GCS Scalper. The Scalper is also a great addition to the fan-powered GCS grain cleaner. When used in combination, one can clean not only the dirtiest of samples, but a variety of commonly found types of disease such as ergot, vomitoxin, and fusarium. Every GCS Scalper comes with 3 sets of screens that are easy to replace and clean after use. With a capacity of around 1,000 bushels per hour, the GCS Scalper can meet the needs of all size operations, from the small farmer to a large producer. Farmers using the GCS Scalper in combination with the fan-powered GCS grain cleaner can expect results of the highest quality. Please let us know if you have any questions about how the GCS grain cleaner and scalper can benefit your farm operation.